Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines, because today we're witnessing the rebirth of an American icon. Feast your eyes on the all-new 2026 Dodge Viper SRT, meaner, sleeker, and more venomous than ever before. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. And trust me, you've never seen the Viper like this before. Before we dive into this beast, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a first look at the hottest rides hitting the streets. Let's strike with the 2026 Viper SRT. The 2026 Dodge Viper SRT makes an unforgettable first impression with a front fascia that exudes aggression and precision. Angular LED headlights now feature laser-cut DRLs, giving the car a serpent-like glare that feels alive. The hood is engineered with functional air intakes and aggressive vents, allowing the V10 beneath to breathe and cool with race-proven efficiency. Dodge's iconic badge is placed low on the front grille, which is flanked by a wind-cutting splitter that screams motorsport pedigree. The combination of aerodynamic functionality and sheer presence makes the front of the new Viper both menacing and magnificent. From the side, the Viper looks ready to pounce a low-slung muscular silhouette that channels raw energy. Wide fender flares envelop massive 21-inch black-forged wheels, which are accented by performance red brake calipers and massive carbon ceramic rotors. The side profile showcases sharp flowing character lines that appear as if carved by the wind itself. Deeply sculpted air scoops behind the doors, efficiently direct airflow to the engine and rear brakes. Meanwhile, carbon fiber side skirts extend the vehicle's aerodynamic grip, hugging the pavement with a motorsport aesthetic. Every detail along the sides enhances both form and function, reinforcing the Viper's identity as a high-performance predator. Swing around to the rear, and the Viper SRT leaves nothing to the imagination. A large carbon fiber wing dominates the upper section, offering serious downforce for high-speed stability. The taillights have been reimagined into ultra-slim, high-intensity LED strips that stretch across the rear, joined by a dark trim piece that emphasizes the car's width and muscle. The lower portion is defined by an aggressive rear diffuser, flanked by angular vents, housing dual rectangular exhaust tips that bark with authority. The overall effect is dramatic, a blend of intimidation and beauty that ensures the Viper is unforgettable from every angle. Beneath the sculpted hood lies the heart of the beast, a newly developed twin-turbocharged 8.4-liter V10 engine. This power plant delivers a staggering 850 horsepower and 730 pound-feet of torque, channeled through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The result is mind-bending performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, and a top speed of 214 miles per hour. But it's not just brute force the engine benefits from advanced cooling systems, forged titanium internals, and a race-tuned ECU. Dodge has ensured the new Viper can dominate not only on the drag strip, but also on the most demanding road courses in the world. It's a marvel of modern American engineering, raw, refined, and relentless. Inside the 2026 Viper SRT, performance and luxury coexist in harmony. The cockpit is centered around the driver, with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays customizable telemetry, including G-forces, lap times, and engine metrics. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara and adorned with paddle shifters and performance toggles. The center console houses a high-resolution infotainment system supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Dodge's exclusive track mode analyzer, which lets drivers log and review their performance data in real time. Premium leather and carbon fiber trim accentuate the bucket-style seats, which are designed for both comfort and lateral support. From road trips to race days, the Viper's interior offers a cabin that's high-tech, hardcore, and unmistakably cool. With a machine this refined and powerful, exclusivity is part of the package. The 2026 Dodge Viper SRT is expected to start at around $145,000, with track-focused variants climbing to the $180,000 range. Dodge has announced limited production, with only 3,000 units set for global release. This makes the new Viper not just a modern supercar, but also a collector's dream. Between its performance, design, and rarity, this Viper might just be the crown jewel of American muscle in the modern era. So, what do you think of the all-new 2026 Dodge Viper SRT? Has Dodge redefined the American supercar once again? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more exclusive automotive reveals and reviews. Until next time, keep your foot on the gas and your eyes on the road.